how to add new keyboard on iPhone, how to change this keyboard, and how to remove it. Open Settings, then scroll down to General. Here scroll down to Keyboard. Then on the top you have Keyboards. When you open it, you have installed keyboards and you can add new keyboard. Choose keyboard you want to install, you want to add, let's say Arabic, and click Done. And that's it, you have just add new keyboard. How to change keyboard? When you type a message, just click on the globe icon on the left bottom corner to change keyboards. If you want to remove keyboard, go again to keyboards, click Edit on the right top corner, and on the right side appear Delete button, tap on this button, and you have just deleted, you have just removed keyboard from your iPhone. Leave a comment please, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.